Students, today we are going to solve more questions of integrals. The first question, we have to find out integration of cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x dx. So how can we find out the integration of this? Multiplying and dividing by 2. So 1 upon 2, 2 cos 2x, cos 4x, cos 6x dx. Now students, we are going to apply formula 2 cos A cos B. We know that cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Cos 6x will remain as it is. So cos 6x plus cos minus 2x into cos 6x dx. Now student, let us open the bracket. So 1 upon 2, it will become cos square 6x plus cos 6x cos 2x, because cos minus x equals to cos x. That's why cos 6x cos 2x. Again we are going to multiply it and dividing it by 2 to form the formula of 2 cos A cos B. So 1 upon 2, and we are going to apply the formula of cos 2A. Cos square A equals to 1 plus cos 2A upon 2. You can see here friends, cos 2A equals to 2 cos square A minus 1. So 1 plus cos 2A equals to 2 cos square A. So cos square A equals to 1 plus cos 2A upon 2. At the place of cos square A, we can write 1 plus cos 2A upon 2. So that's why we are going to write here 1 plus cos 2A, A value 6x upon 2. And here we have multiplied it and dividing it by 2. So 2 cos 6x cos 2x upon 2. So it will become 1 plus cos 12x upon 2. 1 upon 2. Again we are going to apply here formula 2 cos A cos B. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. At the place of A we have to write 6x, and at the place of B we have to write 2x. Correct? So I equals to 1 upon 2, 1 plus cos 12x upon 2. Okay? Plus cos 8x plus cos 4x upon 2. Now let us take LCM. LCM is 2. So outside it will be 1 upon 4. 1 plus cos 12x plus cos 8x plus cos 4x dx. Now student, we can easily find out integration. You have seen in the question multiplication sign is given between them. So to remove the multiplication sign, we have applied formula 2 cos A cos B, and cos square x equals to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Now you can see all the sign of multiplication removed. Okay, now we can easily find out its integral. So one integral is x cos 12x sin 12x upon 12, because we know that integration of cos ax equal to sin ax upon a. That's why the coefficient of x must come in denominator. So its integration is sin 12x upon 12. Its integral sin 8x upon 8. Similarly, its integral sin 4x upon 4 plus c. Let us open the bracket. So it will become x upon 4 plus sin 12x upon 48. 12 4 is 48. Sin 8x upon 32 and plus sin 4x upon 16 plus c. So this is the answer. Let us solve one more question, student. Evaluate integral of sin 4x dx. Sin to the power 4x dx. So how can we solve it? We have to remove the power. To remove the power, student, we can write sin to the power 4x as sin square x whole square. Now student, we can apply formula sin square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. Student, we know that cos 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Then 2 sin square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x. So sin square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2. That's why student, I have written here at the place of sin square x 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 whole square. Let us open the bracket. 1 square 1 plus its square cos square 2x minus 2ab 2 cos 2x upon 4. Correct? Now students, we are going to use formula here of cos 2x, again cos square x formula to remove the sign of square. So it is 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. At the place of x it is given here 2x. That's why we are going to write here cos 2x. Student, this formula we know that cos 2a equals to 2 cos square a minus 1. So 1 plus cos 2a equals to 2 cos square a. Cos square a equals to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Okay. So that's why this formula is applied here. 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. So let us take LCM. LCM is 2. So here 2 plus 1 cos 4x minus 4 cos 2x upon 2. Okay. So 4 to the 8. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus cos 4x minus 4 cos 2x dx. Now students, all the powers has been removed. Here what power is given here? 4. Sin to the power 4x. So to remove this power, we have applied here sin square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 and cos square x equals to 1 plus cos 2x upon 2. Okay. Now we can easily find out its integral. 3 integrals 3x cos 4x integral sin 4x upon 4 minus cos 2x integral sin 2x upon 2. Okay. So its integration 3 upon 8x plus sin 4x upon 32 minus 2 sin 2x upon 8 plus C. So this is our answer. Okay. If we want to simplify 2 4 ja 8, so you can write it sin 2x upon 4 plus C. Now one more question, student. Integration of e to the power x 1 plus x upon cos square x into e to the power x. So let x into e to the power x equal to t, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So e to the power x into 1, we are going to use product rule here. E to the power x as it is, x differentiation 1 plus x as it is, e to the power x equals to dt upon dx. So when we take e to the power x common, we get 1 plus x dx equal to dt. So you can see, student, when we suppose it as t, we have got this. Its differentiation is equal to this. That's why we have supposed x into e to the power x equal to t. So e to the power x 1 plus x dx equal to dt. Okay. So it will become what? dt upon cos square t. So cos square t can be written as sec square t dt. Sec square differentiation integration tan t plus c. So replacing t at the place of t, we can write x e to the power x plus c. Okay students. Okay then. Have a nice day.